Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. To you my old friend, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We appreciate you, okay? We can never take you for granted. Yes. So if you are new here, welcome. We appreciate you for coming. You are watching from Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids, and more. Sometimes you get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. So consider joining the family by subscribing. Put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our uploads. You will be the first to watch each time we upload a new video. So in today's video, from the title, you already know what you are watching by now. You are watching unique and gorgeous African ladies hairstyles. So guys, which of these styles are you going to try out next? Let me know at the comment section, okay? So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done that already, okay? Here comes the end of today's video. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Keep taking care of yourself. Love yourself. I love you too. Bye.